Hi, hello, this is Jason Yu from Remax Partners. I'm a full-time real estate agent serving the Greater Toronto Area over 20 years in this business. I've gone through many times market up and down, so I do have experience and I do have insight how to help people to go through this type of environment. And 2023 is a year of the uncertainty. The interest rate, a lot of uncertainty on the market right now. A lot of clients ask me for the professional advice. So this is the reason I'm going to have two workshops coming up. One is the workshop for potential seller. If you're a potential seller planning to sell in a short time, or planning to sell after New Year, or you do have some friends try to sell before but not successful and looking for second opinion, I would like to invite you to the seller workshop, because selling house or selling condos in today's market is totally different than 1 year ago when the interest rate was super low. So you need to have a different strategy. You need to have a different structure to prepare to get a good result in this type of business environment. Or if you're a potential buyer, let's say you have been renting for a couple of years, right now the interest rate keep going up and keep going up. You want to get a professional advice or second opinion, what to prepare in this type of market. I would like to invite you to join the coming workshop as well. I'm going to have a detailed plan and structure to help you to prepare and make a right decision in this market. And after the workshop, I will be providing a complimentary dinner, because real estate is not just buy and sell homes. Okay, my job is providing professional advice so I can help my client or the people, they understand the market better so they can make a right decision in this type of environment. So if you're interested to join the event, very simple. Click the link below, okay, and register. We do have a different time and different date for the buyer and seller event. Okay, so you can register the link below, and looking forward to talk to you, and we'll share more insight to help you to go through this uncertain market. Okay, we'll talk to you soon. Bye.